Number 16. Essen. Essen is a city in the state of North Rhine-Westphalia in western Germany. It is located between the Rhine-Herne Canal and the Ruhr River. The establishment of ironworks, steelworks, and coal mines in the 19th century fueled Essen's swift transformation from a small town to the largest industrial city in the Ruhr coalfield. Occupied by the French during World War II, Essen endured significant destruction as a hub of German wartime industry. Since then, the city has been reconstructed with expansive modern administrative buildings, offices, and residential areas.